see if it still runs. Aha! Okay, first try. Let's see. Let's see if it still runs. I'm not quite sure. Oh boy, look at that. Yes! Okay, we have bad battery, okay? Press F1. Hey, it works! Like, I don't even know. Okay, I remember this BIOS, huh? It's a Toshiba BIOS. And I really see that the screen kinda tries to get brighter each second, I know. Okay. Okay, what do we have here? We have the memory, we have others. Oh yeah, sure, the time date. Let's see, can I... what do we have? Change values with space. How much can we go in the field? Is that true? We can even go to 2020. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's check the date. Now we can actually see it on screen, not on video. Oh. Ah, okay, I have to go. Yeah. 18. Ah, okay. Yeah, that's great. February. No, we have November. What do we have? 18th November. And it's a Wednesday. That's perfect. Okay. Save and reboot. Yes. Aw, this is so cute. It still runs like, dude. Starting Caldera DR-DOS. What is this? I don't even know what this is. And the hard disk is still spinning. Okay, please turn off your PC. Okay, let's try. Let's try plugging in a PS2 mouse. I do have actually a serial mouse as well, but let's just use the included mouse. It's a Logitech mouse, man. It's an interesting mouse model here. You can just show it here. It's like this thing here. So we just connect this to the PS2 port. But before doing anything like that, what I've read online is the PS2 port is not plug and play, and if you plug it into if you plug this mouse into the PS2 port while the computer is running, it could actually damage like the port itself and any other hardware that's connected to or whatever. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we have the mouse connected, I presume. Okay, we can go any deeper. Okay, let's try this again. I don't even know what this is. Maybe I have to censor some parts because, you know, the computer was pre-owned and there might be stuff still on this. So interestingly, it's Caldera, what is this called? Caldera DRDOS. This is not the default software that was included with this laptop. It normally should come with Toshiba's MS-DOS or a kind of variant of MS-DOS. Redbox Ensemble, I don't even know what this is. Oh boy, here we go. Okay, start normally. Is this some kind of GUI here? Oh, some Italiano. What is this? I don't even know what this kind of GUI is. Okay, maybe I have to censor this kind of stuff here. I don't know. Yeah, I don't. This is not the Windows, I suppose. Oh, now we are okay. I don't even know. Ah, okay. Let's see. Ouch. Auto exec.bat. Oh, how could I? Ah, okay. Yeah, sure. Okay, so we have this kind of very interesting GUI here. It's called Breadbox Ensemble. Ensemble. Yeah, it has to be something French, I guess. I don't know. But this background really just, I mean, look at the tiny screen. Yeah, the computer still works like it should. Okay, you know, okay, I can iconize stuff, but there's no right mouse button. Is there like a? Okay, single document, multiple document interfaces, stuff like that. A waste basket. Xenon 2, what is this? Is this some kind of game? Oh, yep, I guess it's some kind of game here. What? What is on there? Like Xenon 2 Mega Blast. Okay, we get the credits first. Bomb the base. Yep, the PC speak. I kinda... This tune kinda reminds me of something. One player. Oh, get ready, player one. Oh boy. Oh. Uh-huh. Okay, it's some kind of space shooter. Like, if I hear this sound, I'm really thinking of Commander Keen, I guess. Okay, I think I played enough. How do I get how do I get out of here? Uh, I guess Alt F4, maybe? No? I don't even know. Okay, no. How do I get out of here? Okay. Maybe. I don't even know how to get out of here. I'm stuck in this game. Why do I, or do I have to play, do I have to win to exit the game? Nah, this can't be true. Okay, let's see. Control Alt Delete. No. Do I have to look it up to get out of this game? Ugh. Credits. Oh wait, there's a music option. Oh. Yeah, okay. It doesn't have a sound card, but it's an actual speaker in there. Oh yeah. So somehow the music actually. Oh. I can actually shoot backwards now for some reason. Okay, it's an endless shooter. How do I get out of here? No, the power button is not doing anything. Oh, I actually did press some button and for some reason it's loading. But the hard drive is still running. I'm really impressed. I mean, the hard drive is like kind of 30 years old. I mean. And what is it doing now? Oh. Okay, we're back. The hard drive is kinda... Okay, yeah. This laptop originally came with MS-DOS, I guess. Yeah. The hard drive is off? Okay. Maybe I just turned it off for some reason. Oh, there was something written on there. Thankfully I have it all on video, so I can just... This is so crazy, I mean. Yep, and we have 8 megs of RAM. 4 megabytes included and 4 megabytes extended through an external memory card, yeah. This is so crazy. Start normally, I guess. Yeah, okay. I don't know what's up with the Italiano background. I don't speak Italian, by the way. I don't know. Okay, we have the hard disk. Yeah, we don't have much. We have such utilities. What's on here? What is NDO 2000? NDO 2000. Let's see. NDO 2000. Maybe some more GUIs here. Let's see. ND 2000. Oh no. Okay. CD. NDO 2000. New Deal Office 2000. Okay, it's from the same company. So we have some kind of office suite on here. Interestingly enough, it's not. It's not a. Okay, we have a different background now. I don't really understand. So in order to load Office, you first have to exit your desktop, go to the command line, and then start it from there. And we actually have like the same desktop. No, it's not actually the same, but it's another desktop here. And we even have some games here. Oh yeah, let's play some solitaire. I mean, real. And it really has sound like. And it actually highlights anything. Okay. Ah, that's nice. Let's see if I can actually make it happen. Ah, okay, we're starting good. Let's see if I can still play cards. Oh. What's going on here? Something isn't going wrong very good. I was just playing solitaire. Okay. No. Okay, something went wrong, I guess. I was just playing some cards and stuff happened. I don't know. I really don't know where this error actually is. But if I can write, and this weird called error DRDOS. I mean, I know what this operating system is, but yeah, back then so many different GUIs existed. Like nowadays it's just Windows and, you know, but back in the days. Okay, can we see something? Or is the hard drive dead? I don't know. I really don't know if I want to have this weird operating system on here. And for some reason it doesn't turn on nowadays. What's going on here? Hello? Nah, just... Okay, I don't even know. Maybe we have to really do a cold boot. Like, I don't know. Okay, I think that's enough for this video now. Maybe I just will test something more in a future video maybe. So yeah, hope to see you soon. Bye bye.